This full bench reference originated from a single bench order passed in WPC 890 of 2022. Okay, one of the two 893 of 2022, if I am not wrong. Now, the writ petitioner claimed that his services could not have been terminated. He is also a teacher who was appointed during that regime where the new education policy, new employment policy was in vogue. And he came and told that the government could not have terminated his services without giving him a notice. That means government's plea was that government has not terminated anyone's notice. Rather, when the court had told that each one of them are liable to be terminated because the entire selection procedure was wrong, it is we, the government, who went up on appeal. When the appeal was dismissed by the Supreme Court, we again and again, there was a promise given by the government also during 2018 elections. In terms of that policy, the government prayed before the Supreme Court again and again that the term of the services of these terminated teachers should be extended, because we are not in a position to fill up all these posts fallen vacant due to the termination of these teachers, 10,223 to be precise, in one day or 1 year. So give us time. Supreme Court in phases gave us extension of the services of these teachers till March 2020 and said no further. Okay? We had implemented the order of the Supreme Court and High Court. We had not on our own terminated any person. This must be understood. So, government having not terminated in the first place the services of this person, there is no question of government issuing any notice. Notice, if any, has to be issued by the court. And the court told we have issued notice. Post Tanmoynath, this matter was agitated in a case, Vijay Krishna's case. Okay, one of the persons in 10,223. A division bench of this court with Justice Sanjay Karol and Justice Lodh had categorically told that under Order 1, Rule 8 of Civil Procedure Code, due notices were printed and published in the newspapers, and these persons, the teachers, are not illiterate, uneducated persons who did not have access to newspaper or information, because Tanmoynath's case were very widely publicized in both electronic and print media. So to come and tell the court that we didn't know about those proceedings, this is ludicrous. And the plea was dismissed, telling that such writ petitions are despicable. This full bench has now reiterated that, told that you people had the notice of all the proceedings. You never tried to come and project your case to show to the court that the case of these persons is in any manner different than that of the batch of persons who were terminated by terms of Tanmoynath judgment. Okay? And the same plea has been taken day in and day out, again and again. That's why, as a penal consequence, 25,000 cost has been imposed on the petitioner. See, this is not a happy occasion, but all judicial proceedings must come to an end in terms of law.
Thank you.
Thank you.